So what you can also do inside of ChatGPT is upload out files and then ask it to process those files as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto the attachment and upload a file from my computer. So once I do that, I have access to my files right here, and let's just go around and select out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto PDFs, one of my PDFs right here, the PDF file, and then I'm going to go around onto, let's say, presentation PDF right here, just like this, and click on open. So now the PDF file is being uploaded. So you can upload out Word, Excel, PowerPoint files as well. So I'm going to go around and say explain what is there in this file right here. So I'm just going to go around and say this, explain what is there in this file. So once you do that, it says the uploaded PDF file appears to be a presentation template, and here's a breakdown of its content based on the provided text. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So now you can also go around and say explain what is there on the fifth slide right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around over here and say that. Now it says the fifth slide in the presentation is a comparison slide, and here are the details based on the provided text right here. So now you can see that this is what you have right here, and you see some lorem ipsum text right here, because that is there what is on the PDF file itself. So that is how you can go around and then upload out attachments and then interact with ChatGPT as you like with it based on it. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.